everyone. In this video I will explain about the ChroPath, its feature and how to use it. So first of all, what is ChroPath? ChroPath is the development tool to edit, inspect and generate absolute XPath and CSS selector. This tool will give you the absolute XPath and CSS selector for the inspected or selected node. You can also write the XPath or CSS selector in ChroPath, accessing DOM and verify there itself in the DevTools. So, uh, so first of all, we'll download this tool. So here's the download link. I have provided the download link below in the video. So add to Chrome. Here is the description given about the tool so that you can read as well. Add extension. So once it is added, it will show you here with the logo. You can click on this. It will give you the description. ChroPath. Please follow the steps and all the description it will be given here. So this is added. Now you can close this window. Once the add-on, once the extension is added in Chrome, you have to reload the page in which you want to use this tool. So we will reload this page. Let's say okay. Now right click on the web page anywhere, click on inspect. So let's say here you can see the ChroPath panel right side. Sometime if your DevTool panel opens like this and you are not able to see the ChroPath tab, you click on this arrow icon. Below you can see ChroPath. Click on ChroPath. Here you can see the ChroPath. Expand this so that it will give you the better view and more area to type the XPath or CSS. So let's say we want to generate the XPath for this locator. So you can see here for this A tag, here you can see the XPath. This is the absolute XPath for this particular element. If you mouse over on this element in the DevTools in ChroPath panel, you can see that it is changing the color of that node. If you see, it's from blue it is changing to orange. So sometimes there might be a chance like you find more than one node. Let's say you are typing your own XPath h1, so there is only one heading. Okay, so if you mouse over on this, it will be converting into orange color. Check for h2. So now you can see there are multiple nodes. So how we can verify which h2 is for which one? So you can see here, as soon as I will mouse over on that element, this h2, so it will highlight that particular, it will change the color of outline for that node, and also if that is not visible in that particular area, it will scroll the window and make that particular element visible in the window in the visible area. So as you see, if I will mouse over in the ChroPath panel, here you can see my mouse, I'm moving from second element to first element. So this will scroll the window to the top element. If I will move this, it will again move to the next element. Again you can see this is scrolling the window. So the fourth one is the about me. So you can see like this is the another feature. So this is how you can evaluate your XPath, find the generate the absolute XPath. Let's say I want to generate the absolute XPath for this body. So click on this, it will generate the absolute XPath for that particular body. Here, mouse over, it will convert into orange color. Now this all these features are available for CSS as well. So let's say you want to evaluate for CSS. So select the value CSS from the drop down. Here, as this is the XPath pattern, so it will say that of course it will highlight in the red color if it is a wrong pattern. So let's say we want the CSS selector for this element, it will give you the CSS selector. Let's say we want CSS selector for this heading, it will give you the CSS selector. So if you mouse over, it will convert into orange red color. Scroll and convert, scroll, convert. Again, if you want to go back to XPath panel, change the XPath, and as soon as you click here, whichever element you will click on the elements panel, it will give you the XPath for that. Or if you mouse inspect that particular element, then also you will get the XPath or absolute XPath and CSS both. Thank you friends. If you have any comments, any review, any enhancement in the tool, please give the review comments in the comments and review section of the tool itself in the Chrome DevTools thing. Thank you so much.